Pedestrians, Tommy, and I couldn't past an hour like.
See app or web for info. Metal store, 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 metal store.
Andrew Lowney, he has his finger on the pulse when it comes to this particular subject, and Andrew has to now find a way of clearing his name because it's only getting worse.
About me? Kind of a big deal around there, yeah. It's sort of been about me. Kind of a big deal around there, yeah. Yeah, every photo it's like, oh, get the tree in, get the tree in. You just keep getting better and better. Honestly, I cannot wait.
What is that? Probably an idiot. Sorry, mate. You don't know what he's doing. You have no idea what the fuck he's doing. He's sorry at least. Come on, you lame brain.
What a bell end. One's round to traffic duck, you know what I mean? Fucking dickhead.
Let's go on the right side of the road, son. I was going to say. Oh, what a smart place to park. Yeah.
And as if you need even more proof of what I'm trying to describe. Kelly Benham had 6 hours yesterday.
Road positioning?
It's a bit like this car, it's got just a car. Yeah. Reliable one around. What are you doing? You pissed? I really have to wonder that. My question is, are you going to out itself or somewhere else? Oh, it's can't really overtake it. No, because he's doing near enough to 50. Yeah. It's slow down again.
So funny looking 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, there's no poo smell. What are they? A rug?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's the poo smell.
Well, that was worthwhile, wasn't it?
Wow, that was fragrant.
Nice waft of shit.
Oh, it's up my nose now. Ugh. Run that way.
Yes, I'm not.
This one. Oh no.
Alright, now we're getting out, are we? Alright. What's happening here? Position your car like that, are you? Oh no, someone's in trouble. Oh dear, still pulled over.
Gone through on the red. I think he has.
You seriously just stopped?
Boing. Boing. This number is an AO number,
Yeah.
and then deal with that with an AO. Boing. AO were very good. Then there's like
binary question, and that's what I am keen to make sure we have got very, very solid.
Hold on, sold scimitar. Let's see what you're about.
Can't go no miles an hour. If you get stuck on that, I'll laugh.
Go, what the? Go.
Go. Just go. Oh, you're gonna...
alligator teeth. Go.
Go. Oh, you are going to pop your tyre.
Go.
No.
Fucking-
No, don't do that. Stop doing that. Just go. Oh, are you taking the piss? God, I thought that was it for me.
Where did that come from?
What's sitting your, what's it?